So this is our test cassette. And the way it works is quite simple. We have our food sample that's been incubated for a few hours. And what we want to do then is withdraw some fluid from here. Take the fluid and we put it on this little pad here. So we put the fluid on the pad and wait 15 minutes. The fluid will flow up and a line will come across here. A little red line means the test kit works. That's our control line. And then a little red line above that means E. coli, stop. So red for stop. So it's very simple. A little bit of fluid goes here. In 15 minutes, yes, it works. And yes or no, there's E. coli. Very simple, easy to do, and important because it tells us whether that food you just tested can go to the market or whether it needs to stay in the plant because it has E. coli and could cause people to get sick.